dear students. We are going to see now how hub works in a connection. So we need to open our software or a simulator called Packet Tracer. On that time, we'll be needing only the pieces and the hub. So how to get it? After opening Packet Tracer, you see that you have an environment where we have a menu tab with the tools, and also we have another bar where we found logical and physical. For us, we'll be dealing with logical. And then at the bottom, we have a toolbox. In this toolbox, it is where we find hub or other network devices connecting and so on. So let's try first to get the devices to be connected on hub. First of all, we are going to search the end devices. Let us click on end devices here. You see that we have PCs, laptop, server, up to the tablet and TV and the phones and so on. These are the end devices. So for us, let us pick PC here, put another one here. Let us choose laptop. Okay, so let's add another PC here. Okay, and then we'll be needing to get a network device network connecting devices. Just we click here. Okay, you see that you have routers, you have switches, you have hubs as you have started. So we are going to choose hub. You click on hub, then you place it, you choose here, then you place it here. So now on that time we need a channel or a medium, means you need cable. We click here, connections. You click on this one, you have many options. If we start on the first one, there is automatically choose connection type. We have a console, we have a copper straight through, we have a copper crossover. All these type of cables will be connecting the devices, but you have to know exactly and a specific cable to use. For example, if you are using if you want to connect the devices with the same kind, I will be using a crossover. The crossover, it's here, copper crossover. If you are going to connect devices with different kinds, we'll need to use a straight through. So the devices with the same kind, for example, PCs to PC, with different PC to router, PC to switch, PC to another device with this different kinds, changas or different type. Okay, so on that time for us, let us pick on this automatically cable, the first one, because we are going to make a simple network connected by a simple segment of network connected using hub. So on that time we click on hub, and then we come again, we click on the PC number one. We come again, you click on this, click on hub, click on PC one, come again, click on this, click on the laptop, you click here again, you click on this PC. You see that we make a connection, but remember that all devices should have an IP address. We will learn for future, so we know what is an IP address. Simply it is an identification of each networkable devices connected to network. So each PC should have an ID. That ID is called IP address. So now on that time, you see that this hub, if you click on this hub, it will show you the physical appearance of this hub. You see that this hub, it has a 6 port For us, we use only 4 ports to connect all these devices. Sorry. Okay, so now let's continue by applying the IP addresses for each devices connected to hub. Let's start with the first one. Once you click on it, you will have a dialog box. On that dialog box, you click on desktop. Coming back, on physical, it will show you the back of our PC. You know, on CPU, there is a port here reserved for connecting a PC to a network. It is this port we'll be using. Okay, go back on desktop, you click on desktop, then we have to click on IP configuration to configure this PC. Click on it. Automatically we have to assign an IP address to this PC. Number 1, let us put 10.0.0.1. An IP address, it is made with 32 bits. Means that this 10.0.0.1, this is equal to 32 bits. How? Each and every number here is made with 88 bits. So we have 4 segments. So with this 4 segments, it means that you have 32. Okay, then once you click on subnet mask, it will be filled automatically. So we will learn what is an IP address and the subnet mask, no worry. So then you close, you come on the next one, you do the same IP configuration, then you click here 10.0.0.2, because it should be different but within the same network. The prefix is 10.0.0. The changed number is the last one. This is in class A. We'll see what is it. Then you close here. You come again on this laptop. Same path. You click on this. You apply 10.0.0.3. Okay. Then you come to the last PC. Then you click on desktop, click on IP configuration, then you have 10.0.0.0.4 because this is the 4th PC. Okay, then you click. Okay, after making the configuration, IP configuration for each, now let's try to use this message or PDU. Okay, you click on this envelope, meaning that we are going to send a message from this is a source, and then this laptop will be the destination or the receiver. Click on this. Okay, you see that here at the bottom there is where written the last status of our connection is successful. Okay, so now we are going to see how the simulation will be working to show us the working of hub. Okay, so you come here where it is written simulation. Click on simulation. Okay, on this simulation, yes, we are going to play. Okay, you click on this right arrow, click. You see that the message is passing from the source to hub, and then remember that the hub will be broadcasting to all devices connected to it. Okay, good. Once the message reached to the other end devices, the real destination, there is no close, but the unreal we'll have a close to show that it is not the intended destination. Okay, remember that the message to be sent successful, we need to have an acknowledgement from the destination to the source to make sure that, or to ensure that the message was received with the intended destination. So once you click, you see the acknowledgement is sent. Because it reached to Hub will make it broadcast to all, and the real source will receive the acknowledgement. This is how Hub is working. It means that Hub is a broadcast device, or in Kinyarwanda I can say njajwa. Okay, so now okay, let us stop by here, so we'll see how others will be working. Okay.